Peace for All says, a friend of mine asked me that she has a child but lied the USCIS when she gets married. Now she is divorced and wants to apply for her child. Would that be a problem? She's a green card holder. Well, Peace for All, it's hard to say. There's always a chance that USCIS could say, hey, if you had told us you had a child, we may have not proved your case because, you know, for whatever reason. But in some opinions, it may not be material. So the key is, will the officer that reviews that case think that by the lack of evidence or not talking about the child, was it material to the getting the green card in the first place for the spouse or not? And if it was, then it's going to hurt the case and you need to apply for a waiver or all this kind of stuff. And it creates other problems potentially. But if they don't. So it's not 100%. There's just a lot of things we have to talk about in a case that whether you want to pull the trigger on that or not. It could be no problem, but it's really going to depend on the officer dealing with the case. If USCIS officer finds that lying about having a child in the previous petition is immaterial, is important, what will be the ground of deportation for the green card holder? It could be fraud or misrepresentation. It could be you lying before an immigration officer in the past. So you got your green card by fraud because you didn't tell them all that's going on. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.